Hey y'all, I'm back, and today I'd like to show you how to make some banners, your own personalized custom banners from regular store-bought banners. Or you could not even use a store-bought banner. You could cut pennants very easily. These are cut from poster board. Poster board makes them nice and firm, so if you're having an outdoor party or something like that. If it's indoor, you could use cardstock, not that big a deal, but these are same sturdiness as the store-bought. So the first thing I want to show you is not here. It's not on my table. Okay, if you have a banner like this, it says happy birthday, but your birthday is for Mindy Lou, and she likes I Love Lucy. So you want to make a special party for Mindy Lou. You've already watched my video and learned how to make her a centerpiece for I Love Lucy, or a cupcake stand for I Love Lucy. Now you're going to make her a banner. So you take one of these out, one of the pieces, use it to trace on your poster board and cut out the exact same size. All you have to do is put it behind this and punch holes with the hole puncher. So far you need a banner that you can generally get for $1, $2, a piece of poster board, and you'll need a printer and sticker paper, which you need sticker paper for basically all of the videos I've shown so far for the party supplies. So for this party, we're going to put the banner all together, but we're going to put Lucy and Ethel at the beginning of the banner. In the center of the banner, we're going to put I Love Lucy. And on the end of the banner, we're going to put Desi and Lucy. Now you also could put the banner in two pieces and put happy and then birthday, and put something like, say it's Clifford the big red dog, or Barney. You want to put 4 different characters. So if you put happy and then birthday, you could put a character on each end of happy and a character on each end of birthday. So, or you could just make it all one banner. It's like a 6 or 7 foot banner, and then just put something on each end. So that's the first banner that I wanted to show you. Next is, now I don't know if you can find these banners. I do have them. I have a lot of them. This one is, you see, it's supposed to be for putting pictures of your baby for, I think it was milestones. Anyway, I bought a bunch of them because they have the empty circle. And so I have a perfect happy birthday banner that I just need to put the character on each end. This is a very colorful banner, so they're perfect for kids' birthday parties. And this one's just made out of paper. Now if you have a Cricut machine or one of those machines that cuts these shapes, you could cut them. They're only put on a ribbon with double-sided tape. I've already inspected the whole thing. But then of course you need your letters to spell out whatever you want to spell out. But this one is a good option if you can find it. I bought these in bulk a couple of years ago because someplace was discontinuing them, so I'm not sure if you can find them still, but that one's an awesome banner. Of course, you also can still just do your own pennants, or you could do your whole banner with these. Say it's Kaylee's birthday and you want to spell out Kaylee to make it special. Cut out a bunch of these. You could actually draw it on there, decorate it up. There's lots of ways to make a party special without a lot of money. Now, the last one I'm going to show you is this. It's a jointed banner. that you get at the Dollar Trees, at Walmart, everywhere has them. So the same basic principle, you have your banner like so, just cut this off. Put your own ribbon through here, and then it's just as cute on here. See how cute that is? And you also can use red poster board, black poster board, blue poster board, you know, make it to match the banner. The same with the pennants. You can make a banner with all different colored pennants. And especially at the $1.25 tray, you can get poster board, like I think it's 75 cents or 79 cents or something for the colored poster board. And one sheet of poster board, you think you got a poster board this big and you're making this pennant. And actually I think I've already cut off some of this poster board. So you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, a lot. You can get a lot off of one piece of poster board. Just a little bit of work. But then your party will be special and unique. So if you haven't seen the videos I did for the centerpiece and the cupcake stands, you should go and watch those. Okay, now I also have all of these. You know what these are from? I've made so many of these banners, I started saving the piece that you cut out from here. Because look what a cute little pennant banner this would make. Put it all together. So I'm saving those. I haven't come up with a plan for them yet. And then really all you do is you print your stuff out on the sticker paper. Look, you got the Beatles, you got Betty Boop, you got Clifford. Clifford looks really cute on his banner. So that's all I got for you today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.